Good morning. My name is Yannis Gertsos, and I'm the Dean of the USC Viterbi School of Engineering, which is the official host of this summer camp on the frontiers on energy resources. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you here on the USC campus, and I hope you will have a pleasant stay and use your time profitably to learn about energy, sustainability, and all the important issues in that area that will face us in the future. It's a big pleasure for me to welcome all of you, students in high school who will be the future and will provide the help that we need to solve these pressing social problems that will appear in the years to come. I also like to perhaps hope that some of you may want to continue at the School of Engineering as freshmen in the future, and will be a big pleasure for us to see you join the school if that is where you would like to go a couple of years later. This camp is, of course, unusual in that it is not an athletics camp, and it is actually a camp that will expose you to the science and engineering of the important area of energy problems, and hopefully will motivate you to become involved in this very challenging and interesting task. As you know, energy is one of the priorities that not only the federal administration has singled out as part of reviving the U.S. economy, but also as an important challenge for the world and for the future of the planet. The National Academy of Engineering, which is the supreme body of engineering in this country, has articulated energy as one of the important grand challenges that they have announced last year. We're very pleased that Chevron sponsored this camp to expose you bright students and potential leaders in this area, and educate you and provide you with the knowledge that you need to help understand the magnitude of the problem and also help understand the solutions that are available to solve it. At USC Engineering, the issue of energy is tackled at different levels, and you are being high school students probably have a rather vague notion about energy. The hope is that in this camp you will understand what energy means, what are the different forms of energy, and how these different forms of energy can be harnessed to be able to provide the human needs in order to be able to provide a sustainable future that will be environmentally friendly and also will be able to increase the economic output of the world and prosperity for everyone. One of the important things that is involved in the energy equation is, of course, the supply and the demand side. On the supply side, you will hear about all our energy resources that range from a variety of sources, from alternative energy, green energy, to more conventional energy sources. On the demand side, you will understand and hear what are the main parts of our daily activity that are consumed by energy, and how these amounts compare to the needs that we satisfy as we go about our daily lives, and also as the economy of the world progresses. An important area that is also a key parameter in this equation is energy efficiencies, which come into the demand side. For example, the energy efficiencies of buildings, how buildings are heated, the energy consumption associated with buildings, and with other daily routines that we do, which in an era of plentiful energy are of no significant concern, but as energy resources become more and more scarcer, energy efficiencies become more and more important. And we hopefully show you how you can use modern advances in technology, including information technology, to improve efficiencies and to make savings of energy that otherwise would have been impossible. So I would like to extend again a warm welcome to all of you. I hope that you will have a fascinating 3-4 days at USC, that you will appreciate the wisdom and talent of your teachers and faculty who will teach you, and that you will leave this camp with a increased understanding of the importance of this significant problem of energy, but also of the need to use science and technology in order to be able to solve it. So again, a warm welcome, and I hope you have a pleasant stay. Thank you.